In this video tutorial, what we're just going to look at doing is how we can add a new page or a new post to the website and just explaining the differences between the two. So for example, a page is just something that's singular, you could say, that it just lives independently of other things, while a post actually lives within a category. So when you create a post, it gets placed within a category, and then you can view the category. For example, something like packages is a category which has a number of posts within it, and those posts all get displayed within that category because we've told it to do that. Where a page is independent, so these are all pages, and when we click on one of them, it's just a singular independent item. So it's nice and easy. If you want to create a new page, just say, for example, we want to create a new page. We just go here because we're already logged in, or you can go into the administration area and create one from there. So if we go over to the dashboard, this will take us to the administration area of the website, and from there you can add a new page as well. So you've got two options there. It's just taking its time. So we're going to create a new page called menu, which we're going to put under the restaurant option. So over here we can just go to pages, we can add new, or like I said before, we can go up here and add new from here as well. So I'm going to click add new page, and I'm just going to write menu. And just a couple of things to make note of here, because this is going to be living under the restaurant page, it's going to be a child page of the restaurant, like it wants to be a drop down option of it. So you come over here to the page attributes, and we'd select as the parent page as restaurant. So that means that this is going to be a child page of that. I'm just going to write hello and click publish. Publish makes it go live. So we've created a new page called menu, click publish. It's going to click view page. Yep, we can see that that's been added there correctly. And when we go up to restaurant, you'll see that it doesn't actually have the drop down option there. And the reason why is there because we needed to add it to the actual navigation / menu system up the top there. So we go back into the dashboard, or you can click on menus down here. Let's just go via the dashboard so I can show you where it is. And we're going to add that menu page. Should have called it something else, maybe a little bit confusing, because we're going to add it to the navigational menu system. So it's just coincidence that they both have the same title. Anyway, it seems to be taking its time a little bit. Let's just try this way. Click on menu. Okay, now we can see that we've come to the menu section, and in the administration part you can see that the menu lives under the appearance option there. So we've created this new page. You can see over here the pages option, and there it is there. That's the menu page. And what we need to do is add to menu. Once again, bad choice for calling that, because navigation within a website is called menu as well. So we're just going to click add to menu, and this is the main menu here, and what it's going to do is add that down to the bottom of the page where you can see there. But the thing is, we want that as a drop down underneath the restaurant option. So I'm just going to drag that up there, and the important thing to do now is to click save menu, so that will save it. So when we visit the site, you can see now the restaurant option, and when we mouse over it, it has that menu underneath. So that was how we create a new page and also add it to the menu system. And let's go now and look at a post, create a new post. Once again, we can just go straight up here and create a new post. And what we're going to do is just add some new text. I'm just going to copy and paste from a document I've got there, and the important thing is cutting and pasting as text, and we've got that text there. That's going to be the title for the post. And just a few things now. So we're adding a new post. So now what we need to do, just close that up, we need to specify where this post is going to live in, so in what category. And because this is just minutes from Bateman's Bay, we're going to put that under the category Bateman's Bay visit information. So it's just it's a little bit of information about Bateman's Bay in regards to Corrigan's Cove, just being close to Bateman's Bay, and we're going to make sure we want it to go into the visit information section. You could create a new category and add it to that, but we're just going to add it to this one. And that's really it for creating a new post. And I'm just going to click publish, make it go live. And click view post. And so we can see that's been added there. And we've got this option here to click onto that category, onto the Bateman's Bay visit information section. And we can see that that post has been added to the top there, and scroll down, we can see a few other ones there as well. Come down to the very bottom, here's our visit information. We didn't want to make it a primary kind of area up here, which we could move it up the top here if we need to, but we just kind of have it down there just for mainly for search engine optimization and things like that, where we can hopefully write about particular things about Corrigan's Cove, Bateman's Bay and accommodation, etc. that mightn't be so super relevant to the operation of Corrigan Cove, but mainly for people who might be looking to stay in the area, become aware of Corrigan's Cove. So just quick thing there, we've got that post in there, it gets displayed within the category that we selected, which was Bateman's Bay visitor information. And while we're here, we'll just quickly show you what else we can do with this when we edit the post. Just say, for example, we don't want to display all of that text on that page. We can just click the cursor in here and insert a read more option. I'm going to click update. Showed this previously in the example, so it just what it does is it doesn't affect the post at all, the full post. When you go to read it, it's all there, but when you're on the category section, that post now has a read more after that paragraph where we put our cursor in and select it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for showing you how to add a new page or a post, and the slight differences between the two. Have you got any questions? Yeah, please ask.